Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk is a classic oceanside amusement park just south of San Francisco in Santa Cruz.
Please store all phones and cameras, remove hats and glasses, and keep your hands and arms inside the car.
We explored the boardwalk, the best rides, the arcades, and some great food.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch.
Access to the boardwalk is free, and they sell day passes and annual passes for the rides. Access to the beach is free too. Parking does have a cost.
I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Our first ride is the classic wooden roller coaster called Giant Dipper. The next ride is wet and exciting. It's called the Logger's Revenge. The free fall ride is great for the little ones. The pirate ship ride has been a favorite for generations. The fireball is great for feeling G-force. The old carousel is great for bringing back memories as well as making new ones. Good old Laughing Sal makes me laugh. Now we visit Neptune's kingdom for some miniature golf. There's a terrific pirate theme, and then it's on to the arcades.
Hey, what's on the rocket out? Hey, matey. Yeah, you. Step over here. Do not be afraid of an old bucket here now, be ya?
A great way to round out the fun is to have some funnel cakes. It's really popular in Santa Cruz. People do tend to have boardwalk food traditions. Mine is hot dog on a stick. Now with a beer. Santa Cruz has a long history of surfing. In fact, they have a surf museum just north of the boardwalk. Follow the bike trail up to the old lighthouse to see it. Now this video is about the Santa Cruz Boardwalk, but don't overlook the beach. It's a terrific beach with great sand. Plus, there's a wharf just adjacent to it. Traditionally, the Boardwalk has had beachside bands that play on the weekends. Plus, there's a railroad excursion that takes you up to the Redwood Park just north of Santa Cruz. Conveniently located just next to the Giant Dipper is guest services that has first aid, information, as well as lost and found, just in case you happen to lose your hat, cell phone, or sunglasses on the Giant Dipper. The Boardwalk does have several parking lots adjacent to it on Ocean Avenue. It makes for easy access to bring your coolers and other beach gear to the beach. Y'all be fantastic. Like, subscribe, and we will see you later.